Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. So today's power hour is going to be very task oriented. I had some things I wanted to check off my list. My house was not a wreck, which is what I really like. So if you are ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave me a like and comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. As you can see, I'm giving this table a quick wipe down. I'm not even removing the table runner or anything. I just want to wipe down the area where my kids ate at. And now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I'm going to clear all the clutter, get the dishes tackled so we can move on. I really just wanted to get up, get myself moving, motivated, and have a productive day where I checked off my to-do list, which I was able to do here.
Let's go. You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
I decided to keep this little clip in of Sydney sneaking a snack out the pantry while I was cleaning because she thought I couldn't see her, and I thought it was too funny to just delete it.
Boom, boom, boom. Think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress.
If this is your very first time stopping by my channel today, I just want to welcome you and say hi. My name is Sean, and here on my channel, I post power hour cleaning motivational videos every Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know every single time I upload.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time.
Y'all, I did it again. I keep washing that sink out before I clean the coffee filter, or I always find something else that makes me have to dirty up the sink again. It never fails.
Just want your time.
And right here, I just quickly wanted to show you guys my new utensils. I got these from Amazon. They were a set. They did not come in a utensil holder. I bought that separately from Amazon because I thought it was cuter than the one that came in. But they are so nice. I really do like them. And if you are interested in them, they are linked in my Amazon store, and the link is in my description box.
Could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. I just want your time.
So if you haven't moved your trash can and cleaned behind it lately, here's your reminder. Move that trash can and get it clean, because that wall really does get dirty. So for today's power hour, I decided to slow things down just a little bit because I get a lot of comments saying, like, man, you get so much done in an hour. I don't know how you do it. When I do power hours, I don't get as much done. I want to show you guys that you do not have to feel like you need to go and conquer the world in an hour, okay? This is for you. You need to make it work for you. Whatever you can do in 1 hour is enough. Just think about it as if you never cleaned and you never got anything done in that hour, or you can make that hour productive and go get as much as you can done. You can clean after the hour is up. Nobody is keeping score. You don't lose. There's no losers in a power hour, you guys. We are all being productive and getting things done, so we have won in the end, okay?
Talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire.
To mop the floors, I'm just using this O-Cedar mop, which I love, and some really hot water, a few squirts of Dawn dish soap, and some original Pine Sol. You guys, this combination works really, really well to get your floors clean.
Yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. Don't.
Every time I get ready to spin the mop, Sydney comes running saying, my turn, my turn. So, of course, I have to let her have her turn to spin the mop.
Ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight
often do you guys mop your floors at home? My floors could really stand to be mopped probably every day from just spills and messes. I do have two kids, but I probably realistically mop about 3 times a week just to get up all of those spots off the floor.
What did you slip me? My heart is racing.
24 minutes left on the clock, you guys. Let's get this bathroom cleaned up and then we'll see if we have time to do anything else or if I ran out of time cleaning the bathroom. We'll have to keep watching to the end to find out.
Over, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely, swiping left and right to meet somebody. And they won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything?
So for the toilet, I am using these Arm& Hammer disinfectant wipes. I really like these. I think they are a fave. I get these from Costco. They're a 4-pack. I don't know how much I pay for them. Do not make me lie, but it's worth the money. And they actually just, some wipes, they dry out really fast. These don't do that. And I really do like that.
Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat. Don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you in the backseat, on the highway, in the taxi home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Just shut your mouth and
the minute that I saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a ghost. Damn, it's sunny, should've brought less clothes. I got a heavy one last time, taking off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I got a heavy one last time, one last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak when you text me, you got needs only I can satisfy. And
The last task I was able to complete in this power hour was the bathroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and sweep and mop. And then I'm done. We did lose a little footage, so you won't see me mopping, but that's okay. And you guys, I finished with 6 minutes left on the clock. Now, normally I'll find me another task to fill up the time, but you know what? Doing these daily power hours have really helped me stay on top of my cleaning, and I usually just have to do maintenance most days. So my house wasn't a wreck. I had no more cleaning to do for the day, so I can go and enjoy. So if you've enjoyed this power hour, don't forget to leave it a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you, and if you're in need of some more motivation, go check out my power hour cleaning playlist linked in my description box below. Until next time, you guys, bye.
one last night, taking